And hello there, 30 Minutes friends and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now what I have here is one of the latest 30 Minutes fantasy line. We have the NecrosKnight, yes, and as you can see in the box art, it is a knight and a necromancer mashed up together. And it seems that this is previously from the Rosen Empire, basing on the videos that they released in it. So, but it's sort of decayed, so meaning it might have gone outside Roseanne Empire and is being like a standalone character. Anyway, that's what you can see in the box art. And off to the side, here it is. It does have a silhouette, and of course, once you equip, it becomes the Necros Knight. And here it is, fully clothed as the Necro Knight and coming up with the draw skeletons and the customized structure. It sends kind of turns or pulls the lore together, the same as being a Necro Knight. It is front and back, and of course the decayed or withered Rosen banner here. And then let's see what's inside the box. Here we have one bag with black and gray screws. This bag contains, I think, parts for the costume or the armor. So I'm dark blue and more black. Another bag with more black. Mm-hmm. So NecrosKnight after all. Yep. I think this is a dark brownish one. Last bag has more black to be filled with. And of course, here it is. We have the instruction manual, and it says here is a NecrosKnight, and we have a new elemental core called Dark. So it's they are expanding the elemental cores, from previously just having the water, fire, earth. They then added the frost, and then the thunder, and now they have added dark. And let's see off to the back. Here it is again. It's a silhouette one. And armor crossing it turns into the NecrosKnight, and here it is telling you to buy the customized structure and of course the draw skeletons where it just ties up to its lore as being a necromancer knight. Alright, let's take a look individually at each of the screws. And first off, again, is we have the A screw. Since this uses the silhouette one, most of this will look familiar for you. So that's the A1 for the silhouette one. Again, it also has the B from the silhouette one, more on the backish color side. Then we have the C, still from silhouette one. And a D1, again, from the same silhouette one since the start of the series. D2, again, from the silhouette one. I'll keep on telling silhouette one since it's been there. We have an E1 here. You guess it, from the silhouette one. Same with the E2 from that same silhouette. And of course, the F1 here, which is this time is a dark black color. Yeah. And of course, the F2. Now, this here is for the armor as a NecrosKnight. It is G2. There it is, the armor for the NecrosKnight. More armor parts for the NecrosKnight. And more clear parts, actually. And of course, we have the weapons of the NecrosKnight. And there you have it. 30 minutes, friends and folks. That was what's inside this 30 minutes fantasy NecrosKnight, which is the very latest release for this 30 minutes fantasy line. And I love how 30 minutes mission, or rather the 30 minutes fantasy line, is branching out to not just limiting to Liber and Roseanne, because earlier they introduced the Draconian Knight, and now they introduced this NecrosKnight, which is a former Roseanne Empire citizen that touch up with dark magic, so it had a change into an elemental called dark. And of course, they're introducing more monsters. We have the draw skeletons and I think the wyvern coming up. And hopefully, I do hope they have more of those draconians. Anyway. Anyway, yeah, I think that's what's inside the box, and this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing a video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.